Want to analyze a bacterial genome but don't know where to start? Here's a quick complete bioinformatics workflow. Step 1 is FastQC. This tool checks the quality of your raw sequencing data. Think of it as your first checkpoint. Next comes Trimmomatic. It removes low quality reads and adapter. Thus you get cleaner data. Cleaner data means more accurate result. Next come SPAdes. This tool joins small DNA fragment to reconstruct the full bacterial genome, just like solving a puzzle. The next step is Prokka. Once assembled, Prokka annotate the genome. It identifies the gene and predict their function. Then Roary. If you need to compare the multiple bacterial genome, Roary perform the Pan-genome analysis to find shared and unique genes. And the final step is BLAST. If you got unknown sequences, BLAST compare it with the global databases to find the matches instantly. So the workflow is simple. Quality check, next come cleaning, assembly, annotation, and comparison. Master these tools and you're ready for the real-world bioinformatics research in bacterial sector. Follow for more biotech and bioinformatics breakdown here.